This is Petra. Oh my God, it's really beautiful. Andyan, Dalos City. Andyan, nag-video ka, ate?
Hello, Ray. Where are you, Ray? Oh, what a very nice place. Okay.
Oh, look at the carvings. It's really magnificent.
Yes. Oh,
It's
beautiful.
considered as the seven wonders of nature, right? Or seven wonders of the world.
Okay. Ay daw. Hindi pa enough na?
Ate,
Hello, Ray.
hello. Yes, we're here. Ate, say hello.
Hello.
Nandito kami sa loob, sa Petra.
1, 2.
Yan si Anjang, nagpa-picture. Say hello, Anjang.
Hello, Anja.
Anjang. We're from the Philippines. Hello.
Our neighbours.
Ching ching. Hello, Anjang. Andito kami ngayon sa Jordan, sa Petra. We left the hotel at 7 o'clock and then it's a long walk anyway. It's 4 kilometers walk inside these beautiful walls.
Different kinds of stones.
Yes. Where's Anjang? Anjang?
Limestone. What else?
What else do we have here?
Limestone.
Limestone, marble.
The yellow stone, the red stone,
The green stone.
the red stone.
Yeah, in the bird stone. I'm just kidding. Wow, this is beautiful. Look. Nandito, ang gaganda. My God. There's a lot of tourists behind me. They came from different parts of the world. Hello. Where are you from?
Spain.
Spain. Venus Diaz. Oh, amiga. Hello. Just gracias.
Is that a video?
Yeah, say hello, Bibi.
Hello.
She's my friend from Japan. You're from Chiba, right? No, from where?
Tokyo.
Tokyo. Oh,
Hi.
this. Hello, say hello. Sisika tayo dito.
Hello.
Bawat tuturo niya, binagano niya ng ilaw, pinatutukan niya. Yan ang gamit ng asawa ko sa gimba niya eh.
Oh.
Na-imagine ko na ito.
Our tour guide explaining right now what happened to this place, and he's giving us enough information about this area. My co-pilgrims, they're taking a lot of pictures in this area.
May narration ka.
He is Father Charlie, our group leader.
Yeah. Bansay.
Bansay.
Ilan viewer mo? Saan ang viewer mo?
No, this is a video. Have you seen the wall in my backside? Amazing.
Alguno en avanzada de composición.
We are heading to the treasury Nantuka, and I don't know what's the place is, and we're going to find out what awaits for us there.
Hasbil.
No, bulati yan, hindi yan ahas.
Malapit na tayo.
Yeah. The same route going back to the hotel, right?
Kampusong tayo. No?
Busog ang mata ko.
Ayun daw kay Father Gary.
And one of our group leader in our tour. Yeah, hey, he is Father Gary.
Hello.
Talaga, hindi ng ano mo, ng battery.
Sabinos Alexander?
Alexander the Great.
No. Sabinos Alexander. He came here once to celebrate one of the occasions which belonged to Dushara. He came from Syria. He was a master of ceremonies. To his honor, they carved for him the fertility god, and they left his name.
For nice gift, nice present. Three for one now, 3 for 1. Nice gift here.
Group A! Pabalik na tayo dyan!
Pagkatapos nito, magpipicture na kayo, ha?
Parang may umutot.
CR yan? Hindi, CR naman yan. Yan po.
Hindi, pulis yan eh.
Station yan. Wala ko CR.
Here, ladies, hello. $1 here. My group here, $1. كهرباء 5 دقائق بس ساعة
Treasury.
10 دقائق
Tawag ka nila.
So beautiful. Ganda, ganda. Grabe yung pag-curve dito, no? Oh, may camel ko, may camel. Look at this camel. Like this?
Father Charlie.